Hello lovelies, you're welcome to my channel once again. Today we are making aloe vera and rosemary oil, and this is my aloe vera and my rosemary. Guys, this two combination is so powerful that if you use it for your hair, you will see your hair will grow so long and beautiful. First of all I have to do is to cut the sharp edges of my aloe vera. So I'll cut all those sharp edges out. Afterwards, mine is to chop the aloe vera into smaller pieces. Aloe vera we know strengthen and repair hair strength. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, C, and E. All three of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promote healthy cell growth, and shiny hair. Now I'm done chopping my aloe vera. The next thing is I need my frying pan, and all my aloe vera is poured into my frying pan. So over here I'll be adding 2 spoons of my rosemary. Rosemary, aside from promoting a hair growth sprout, rosemary limits skin inflammation and irritation. It also helps reduce dandruff. So I'll be adding my castor oil to it. Castor oil nourishes hair, it promotes scalp health, it prevents split ends and breakages. So I'll be adding my castor oil to it. So now I'm adding my extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil keep hair moist and strong. And now that I've put all of this together, I've put my ingredient on fire. So now it's been on fire. The fire has to be low heat, and I have to make sure I am stirring it so that it won't stick or burn. Over here my oil is ready, so I'll leave it down for it to cool down. Now that it has cooled down, I have to strain the oil. With this oil, if you use it 2 or 3 times in your hair, you'll see a lot of changes in your hair. Your hair grows thick and long. So over here I'm coming to strain my oil. When straining the oil, make sure you don't squeeze out. There are times when you squeeze it too much, the water in the aloe vera will end up, or the gel in the aloe vera will end up transferring into the oil. So now I've strained my oil, it is ready. Look at how beautiful the oil is looking. So with this oil, I'll be adding my vitamin E oil now and some of my essential oils. Vitamin E protects the scalp, and it acts also as a conditioner. So I'm adding a tablespoon of my vitamin E oil. After adding my vitamin E oil, I'm coming to add my tea tree oil. These are all essentials that helps to promote hair growth. And this essential oil increases blood circulation. And anytime your blood is circulated well, it helps to promote hair growth. After adding my tea tree oil, I'm coming to add my peppermint. This is also another essential, and all of these essential oil helps to promote hair growth. So after adding my, it's just to stir well. I'm stirring it really well so that it will all mix really well. The next thing I have to do is to get my container. So you can see how this my container is. It has a long mouth, so anytime I want to apply, I just use the long mouth on the scalp of my hair and pour it in my palm and just massage it under my hair. So I'm transferring my oil into my container now. And you have to make sure your container is clean. There shouldn't be any water in it, because when there is water in it, it will let the oil go bad. My oil is ready. Oh wow, look at how beautiful the oil is looking. And this oil is very beneficial to the hair. It helps in hair growth. I've been using this for some time now, and it has really helped me, as I was saying earlier. So this is glove water that I'm spraying to my hair to keep my hair moist. After keeping it moist like this, all I have to do is apply some of the oil, which you will lock all the water into my hair to keep my hair moist. And anytime you are applying it, you have to make sure you apply it to the scalp of your hair and to the tips of your hair. You can see how I'm applying the oil onto my hair. After applying it, you make sure you massage your scalp very well. When you massage your scalp very well, it helps your blood to circulate well, which will help promote hair growth. So afterwards, I use my shower cap to cover my hair, and I'm adding my silk cap to it because I'm going to bed. Guys, use this 2 or 3 times in a week and you are good to go. Thank you so much for having you here. May God bless each and every one of you. Please remember to subscribe to the account, and I'll see you guys in my next video.